Võib öelda küll, et tänasel päeval oli ajalooline hetk keskpolügoonil, sest Ameerika armee ei ole lahinglaskmisi tankidega Eestis pikka aega teinud.
We have our U.S. battalion, 6-9 CAV unit, which is normally stationed down in southern Estonia in Võrumaa. They're up here with a tank platoon today conducting a live fire exercise. And so, as you know, U.S. troops have been rotating through Estonia for several years now. The most important thing for them is to be able to carry out their training, exercises, certifications, so that we're getting stronger. We're working together with allies here in Estonia. And today's live fire exercise, the Estonian Defense Forces are also participating.
USA üksustele on kõige suuremaks väljakutseks siin Eestis teenides kindlasti erakordselt külm talv.
So this unit's home base is in Texas, in the southern part of the United States. So we've got different weather there, let's say. So yeah, they've experienced a real Estonian winter this year, and this cold weather training is really helpful in helping them know how their systems operate, their tanks operate in different environments. So it's very helpful.
Kuigi mitmeid kordi on lubanud Ameerika president oma vägesid NATO idatiival vähendada, ei ole ta siiski õnneks oma plaani teoks teinud. Millised võiksid olla aga plaanid lähitulevikuks?
I'm a diplomat, so I can't really comment on force posture decisions because these are things that our leadership, our president, our secretary of defense, that's for them to work out. But here we've been very grateful for the cooperation, here the mission set. And then also, I have to mention, Estonia has been an excellent host for U.S. troops. These training opportunities, making sure that our soldiers aren't just here, but they're becoming more lethal. They're training and they're learning how to, working with allies, our NATO allies. So this is really important, and it's a really important part of the bilateral relationship between the U.S. and Estonia.